Watch out.
Those are like the things that we see at, I never saw one. No. Dinosaur World. Hold on. Okay.
You see, look where it's going. Look where it's going.
Wow. I never saw that.
Wow.
That thing is huge. That is pretty crazy. Mom. You don't see that often.
He keeps stinging him over and over again, too.
What is it that when they sting something, don't they die? Is that a multi?
That thing is...
I'm glad you got that on video. That was quite entertaining. He's like, that didn't work.
Dude, that thing is huge. Watch, he's going to bring him right over that tree.
Do those bees eat that?
Yeah.
I say bees, do those walk?
Look at him bring it straight up the tree.
This is like Monster Bug Wars at Bonnie Bray Park.
That squirrel's like, what's going on over there?
Dude, you better watch out, Squirrel. You'll get stung next. Don't you jump on my son. Kill you. Mom, can you come out with me? Luke! You're too close to the wildlife. That squirrel's messing with that wasp.
Can you hear its wings?
Yeah. The wasp.
Yeah. Well, the squirrel doesn't have wings.
No, Jack ASS. The effing cicada.
No, that thing's dead.
Well, I kind of figured, but...
Whoa! What is going on here?
That thing's gonna be...
So wait. That thing...
Back off, because that thing's gonna be PISS. Luke? Stay over here, baby. Stay over here. That thing's gonna be pissed. I just hope he doesn't take it out on us. Looks like I just like the squirrel.
That's the dead cicada right there.
Yeah, and then when that wasp comes back and sees you standing over it.
That's my lunch.